When someone visits your site and buys something or completes another important action, it's called a conversion. In Google Analytics, a conversion is typically credited to the last action the visitor took, such as the search, referral, or ad clicked right before the conversion happened. But most conversions don't happen during the first visit to your site. More often, conversions happen after several visits, as users take time to research the product, consider pricing, and compare similar products. The multi-channel funnel reports help you understand which traffic sources sent users to your site during the consideration process. They let you view how all your channels and marketing initiatives work together to create sales and produce conversions. With multi-channel funnels, you can explore which channels and keywords tend to initiate a sales cycle. This is known as the role of first interaction. You can also explore which channels and keywords tend to help close sales. This is known as the role of last interaction. In addition, you can explore which channels and keywords visitors interact with during the sales cycle, but prior to actually buying. This is known as the role of assist interaction. Let's take a look at some of the multi-channel funnel reports and examine the information they provide. The time lag report shows how many days it took customers to convert. Here, you can see whether your conversions happen immediately or whether they take several days. By examining your goals individually, you can see which conversions take longer than others. For example, signing up for a newsletter on a site involves a short consideration period, while purchasing merchandise on the same site may involve a longer consideration period. Path length lets you view how many times customers interacted with the channel prior to converting. In this case, customers had 3 or 4 interactions with channels before converting. Top conversion paths show each sequence of interactions that led up to a conversion. The multi-channel funnel section also includes a report that shows how often each channel initiated, assisted, and closed sales and conversions. So as you can see, multi-channel funnels help shed light on the full path users follow to conversion rather than just the last click. For more information on multi-channel funnels and all its reports, visit support.google.com/analytics.